No, they block camera now.
Table 7 and 8. I'm ready to biography. Camera in lójú òun là ń retí kọ́ bá wa play ní ìsìn ẹ bá wa gbé autobiography sí ní kíákíá ká máa fi yẹn jẹun ká tó tẹ̀síwájú a sì ní award tá a máa ṣe bàbá wa Amsat máa bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn autobiography wọ́n máa response lẹ́yìn yẹn a ṣe award ẹ ṣe ó yá ní kíákíá ó yá ní kíákíá àwọn tó bá kù tó ọ̀tí ìjẹun table 7 and 8 ẹ dìde kẹ́ lọ bóúnjẹ yín table 7 and 8 ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dìde kẹ́ lọ bóúnjẹ yín table 7 and 8 table 8 ní table 9 10 ó yá ẹ dìde ní kíákíá ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ jẹun ẹ nígbà tí à ń retí autobiography yìí ẹ jọ̀ọ́ after how many minutes o máa fi jáde báyìí àfẹ́fẹ́ nu sọ́ni afẹ́ kí gbogbo èèyàn rí ìkedere òun ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí sọ lọ́wọ́n ọba ẹ ṣe ní kíákíá iṣẹ́ wa ò ní bàjẹ́ o ìgbésẹ̀ wa ò dẹ̀ ní báráyé nínú gbogbo nǹkan tá a dáwọ́lé ayọ̀ ní sí dáadáa èní ọjọ́ ayọ̀ ni ayọ̀ wa ò ní dìbànújẹ́ inú wọn máa dùn kalẹ̀ ni aláyọ̀ máa ń bá aláyọ̀ yọ̀ a máa bá aláyọ̀ lò gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wá tẹ dìde tẹ wá bá Oríyọmí Amsat tẹ wá kí tẹ wá bá ayọ̀ ní wọ́n nìdílé yẹn bá mi ṣàníyàn.
Àmín ya Allah.
Ojú òní tì ní agbára àti Ọlọ́run gbogbo mo fẹ́ yín pátápátá lọ́lọ́run máa bá mi bá yín fẹ́ gbogbo mo kọ̀ yín Ọlọ́run bá mi bá yín tì dànù ẹ̀bẹ̀ bá ṣe ń dì àmàdì ẹ bá ṣe ń tú a máa tú ní agbára àti Ọlọ́run gbogbo àwọn ọmọ yín wọ́n á yanjú ẹ̀ jèrè wọn àwọn náà á jèrè ara wọn ní agbára Ọlọ́run iṣẹ́ wọn wà ní ìdíṣe wọn lọ́wọ́ àtàjèrè la gbogbo ọmọ máa rí àwa tá à ń tajà oníjìbìtì ara má sàn òní gbàsọ wa ọ̀wọ́n àwa tá à ń ṣiṣẹ́ ọkọ ọba adá ọba kò ní ṣe kí ni kò ní já wa lẹ́sẹ̀ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí olúkàkùnkù wa bá rí níbí lénìí ẹ má fi ṣèbínú torí pé nígbà míì ó yá ẹ bá gbójú ayọ̀ sókè ẹ máa wo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ó yá ẹ̀yin máa pamọ́ wọn bíná kí wọ́n máa ṣe kí ni wọ́n máa bá wa wo ẹ gbójú ayọ̀ sókè ẹ ṣe.
His path is mysterious. His truth is unconventional. His personality is nonconformist. His journey is enigmatic. his struggles are gritty and perhaps that is why his successes have been groundbreaking and impactful. Today, he is celebrated across the globe as a seasoned broadcaster and a staunch advocate for human rights. This is Oriyomi Hamzat, the journey of an enigma. Oriyomi Hamzat was born in the 1980s in Ibadan. What is intriguing in this story is not when he was born, it was more about how he was born. It is nothing less of a mystery. We had a sit down with his immediate elder brother, Mr. Najim Hamzat, in order to gain more insight to Oriyomi Hamzat's birth and formative years.
Village won't be watching. So, that won't be. Come on, we will say, man, Robbie Norma. Nígbà tí wọ́n rí pé torí ìlú èmi ní ìsìn wọn bí mi sábúlé gẹ́gẹ́ nígbà tí wọ́n fẹ́ bí òun tí wọ́n rí pé kò ṣeé sí láti bí sí abúlé gbogbo yẹn jù gbogbo àwọn abúlé dìde láti sìn wọn lọ sí hospital yẹn ó wà ní Ìròkò.
We visited Ìròkò Health Center. Today, it is desolate, but even back in the days when it was fully equipped, Oriyomi Hamzat still refused to be fully born. Yes, fully.
Tẹ́tí ọkàn lórí síta láwọn. Tẹ́ni ọjọ́ kejì yẹn tó wá lórí síta yẹn, wọ́n ń gbìyànjú kó yọ jáde títí. Nígbà tí wọ́n rí pé kò lè jáde títí tó fi tó pé ọjọ́ kẹta.
This is shocking. He had to be transferred to the University College Hospital, UCH, Orita Mefa, Ibadan.
Tí a sọ lórí ọmọ nìyẹn.
The boy Oriyomi came to life and brought his destiny with him on his head. The destiny that would make him, break him, and again remake him to be an international celebrated icon. The man you celebrate today was a local man. He is a local man and will always be a local man. He reveals in it actually. He says it makes him so deeply connected to his roots, regardless of how high he flies on the social stratum. He was raised in the core hinterland of Ibadan, in a town called Sagba in Akinyele local government, Oyo State. Oriyomi would walk his way to the very first school he attended, Fadel Umar Ahmadiyya School. It is more known as FOA, Kiwa. So, he decided to retrace his footsteps. What can you see here? Just a scrub of butches. But in those days, kids from Sagba village, including Oriyomi Hamzat, would ply this path to school. Although an alternative one is here, and this is FOA Kiwa, the first school attended by Oriyomi Hamzat. It is holiday season, so school kids weren't here when we filmed this. However, what is sure is that this village school would have had no idea of one of the kids who was taught in one of these classrooms would go on to become a global sensation. Attempts to get his former teachers in this school proved abortive, as many of them had died, and the rest have gone into the obscurity that comes with retirement. For his secondary education, Oriyomi Hamzat would have to come back to somewhere that is somehow familiar. Take a wild guess. Ìròkò Grammar School, which is directly opposite the Waribond Ìròkò Health Center, where his mother was rushed to while in labor. He would eventually complete his secondary education at Pade School of Science.
My name, Oyekami Akim Arikola. Alhaji Oriyomi Hamzat was my student at the University School of Science, Pade, between 1993 and 1995. I taught in physics.
In fact, Oriyomi Hamzat was among the first batch of students to attend Pade School of Science when it was established.
I moved closer to him because of the involvement of his late brother, Alhaji Kunle Hamzat. Alhaji Kunle Hamzat came to Pade one day because he usually visits him at very odd time in the evening time to check on him. So that it was at that time that late Alhaji Kunle Hamzat informed me to be monitoring him.
Well, Alhaji Kunle Hamzat had good reasons to request Mr. Oyekami to monitor Oriyomi. That's because he's never been an easy kid.
Always active. He always ready to ask questions. He asks questions a lot.
Many people whom we interviewed also pointed out similar attributes in Oriyomi, both in his personal and professional life.
Alhaji Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat is a good friend of mine. We attended the same higher institution. We studied the same course, the same department, the same class. And we graduated the same year at this Polytechnic.
My name is Dr. Ibadi Akintaye. Currently, I'm the actual rector at Alicia University Polytechnic. So I got to know Oriyomi Hamzat in 1999, and that's about 25 years ago. When he gained admission into Alicia Polytechnic, incidentally, he met me on ground. Been on the job for like 5 years before I gained admission. I used to teach them Yoruba then, and he was very, very active. I realized that he's very creative when it comes to the use of language, very inquisitive, very friendly, and all of that.
He's a go-getter. If he's ready to do anything and he's carrying you along and you refuse to move, it's either he forces you to move or he drops you and move on. He won't look back. As Yoruba will say, when that is his ambition. If he's ready to do anything, he will put his totality into it.
When we were in school, we knew him as a very good man, and he's a man that hates cheating. If Alhaji Oriyomi wants to do anything, he will make sure he achieves his aim on whatever he wants to do.
He's a very hard-working man. He's a good man, and he always stands for the truth.
Oriyomi Hamzat is someone who is dedicated to his craft. He's absolutely dedicated to his craft. His sense of dedication is so profound that you find that all around him, whether he's at play or at work. That sense of dedication is what strikes me most. And then he's also blessed with the wherewithal to bring that dedication to fruition.
Well, it would interest you to know that Oriyomi Hamzat never really had mass communication in mind as a course of interest.
We were together in school, we studied mass communication, and part of what I knew about it was that he first of all did a program which was not in line with journalism, and he was not contented with it. So he had to forego what he did before and now enter for mass communication.
The first course of interest to Oriyomi Hamzat was geology. But then, even if he had broadcasting in mind, a traumatic experience would put the possibility of pursuing that in jeopardy. What happened? A ghastly motor accident. This is the old road Lincoln Moriato Akinle, and this spot is called Kompo Ojodu. It was the spot of the accident that almost rendered him incapacitated to speak forever. In all of these, it was clear that life had an entirely different plan for the boy. A plan beyond even his own mortal comprehension.
Mo fẹ́ ní pé sára àti ìpínlẹ̀ àwọn ìṣáṣẹ́ ọba tó. Ọkọ̀ sí kòkòrò ọmọ máa láti kọ́ sí sọ̀rọ̀sọ̀rọ̀. Tí mo fi sọ pé orí ọmọ fẹ́ẹ̀ lè kún wọ́n ṣe pé inú rẹ̀ dùn sí geology ń bọ̀ fẹ́ sí. Inú àlàjì náà dùn sí geology. Ṣùgbọ́n gbà tó bá láti kú tán. Bóyá ó wá ń wá sí ọkàn rẹ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tára ti ṣe tí mo yẹ mú àwọn èrè tó wọ́n wá sí. Ló ṣe pé pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ láti máa ṣe.
In a world where many people don't think outside the box, Dr. Oriyomi has an enormous reservoir of knowledge of analytical thinking, ventured into investigative journalism for public good and the greater good of mankind.
I think the science background is science background. I think has helped him a lot. This journalism career. Like, you know, in science, we do analytical thinking, we do analytical problem solving, we solve problem, rigorous thinking. So I think this has helped him in this profession. That is the investigative journalism career.
He's prepared to lose everything in pursuit of that sense of justice. Whether he's taking on powerful political forces or he's taking on perceived diabolic forces, if he's seeking justice for a helpless person, he probably does not care what happens to him whether it's a spiritual thing or otherwise. So he's all in when he moves for that justice that he craves for. Interestingly, not for himself, most of the time is for other people that he would go all in to ensure that justice is done.
And try that justice prevail. Nobody want to go brother, so Ramon are doing. So, you know, we just like today, when we rush to Alajuwon office, we believe that he will help us because Ramon is. I know him justice. So he didn't take sides. He goes through it. He went to his office and I tell the story to him. Because he is sharing tears. Because I saw tears coming out from his eyes. You see how people are wicked. Are you sure, Daddy? Are you sure of what you are saying? I'm very sure. And I have my evidence. When I show him, I tell the story to him, so he took it up. That no, not this Nigeria, not this world. So he tries to do best that justice finally prevail. The way they said they should go and they should cut as a democrat, which is Dr. Amon Adedoyin. So he wish he challenged the judgment to the appeal of now in Akure. So I sincerely appreciate, but the whole family appreciated as in the role he played. I mean, Dr. Suleiman Hamzat played during and after. No, he supported the family, so financially, even spiritually. In fact, there are some he comes all the way from Ibadan to Yoruba many times.
However, in the journey of speaking truth to power and being the voice of the voiceless, Dr. Oriyomi Hamzat has faced several arrests from the powers that be and lost properties worth millions in the process. In spite of the experiences and challenges, the yearnings of the masses keep him going beyond the fight for justice. Smiles on the faces of many social initiatives and numerous poverty alleviation